down to episode 3 of burping. That was weak. Oh my god, that was so bad. What's happened? Jordan.